Be honest with you, I woke up this morning just in complete shock. I never seen anything like this. As I rode through town trying to get to my house, you see trees uprooted, power lines, laying in the road, and it's just it's pretty devastating. It took a toll on this town.
So now I'm just cleaning up the messy yard, the fence that blew over, and things like that, and waiting for the electricity to come back on. So, but like I said, we're one of the lucky ones. I mean, my poor neighbor over here got a boat in his backyard.